So, okay, students, now we are going to start the reading part of the chapter, that is Unit 5, David and Goliath. Okay, so we have to read this also. Young David and Goliath, Part 1. There lived a young boy named David a long time ago. He had 3 older brothers, and they were all soldiers in the king's army. David also wanted to be a soldier, but his father wanted him to stay at home and look after the sheep. Every day, David used to take his father's sheep into the hills. While the sheep were grazing, he looked for flat round stone along the river bank or beside the rocks and put them in his bag. Sometimes a hungry lion or an angry bear come to kill the sheep, but David was not afraid. He used to take a stone from his bag and put it in his sling. Now, what is the meaning of sling? Sling means a kind of weapon with which stones are thrown to enemies. So, he used to put his stones from the bag and put in his sling. He used to brandish the slings in a circle above the head, and the stone flew from it through the air and hit the wild beast between the eyes and killed it. One day, David's father called him. He told him that their enemies, the Philistines, were marching into Israel. He said, "Leave the sheep, go and find your brothers in the king's army. Give them these bags of flour and this letter before they go to fight." Okay, students, now we are going to read activity 5, that is second part of the chapter, Young David and Goliath. David reached there where the battle was going on. All the king's soldiers were afraid. They सब क्या हुए थे? Afraid होना यानी डर जाना. Because a huge Philistine giant called Goliath was standing in front of their camp and roaring in a loud voice like an angry lion. "I am Goliath. I will destroy the land of Israel. Send your best soldier to fight against me and I will kill them." What he was telling that this Goliath was telling to them that send the soldiers in front of me, and what I am going to do with them? I am going to kill them. The king of Israel was worried about this, so he made a promise to his soldiers. And by hearing all this now, the king was worried, and what he did? He made a promise to his soldiers. And what was that? The man who kills the giant Goliath will marry my daughter, and I will give him gold and jewels, and he will be the richest man in Israel. According to him, what he said, that I will marry that person who go and kill the Goliath na, I will marry that person with my daughter, and I will give him gold and jewels, and he will be the richest man in Israel. वो सबसे अमीर हो जाएगा. David heard it. He said, "I will kill Goliath." The giant and his brother laughed at him, as David was only a boy. Finally, the king agreed. Young David and Goliath, Part 3. Then David took his bag of smooth round stones and his sling. He stood in front of the king's army and called the giant. When Goliath heard David, his cruel eyes grew as red as fire. Goliath angrily spoke, Israel has sent a boy to fight against me. I will cut off his head and give his body to the wild beasts. David was not afraid. He prayed quietly and then he replied, I am only a boy, but I will kill you and give your body to the wild beast. When Goliath heard this words, he ran towards David to kill him. But David took a stone from his bag and put it in his sling. He whirled his sling above the head, and the stone flew in the air. It hit between the eyes of Goliath, and he fell on the ground with a loud cry. David ran and took the giant's sword, and what he did, sword means talwar, and he cut off his head with it. David brought the giant's head and put it at the king's feet. The king was pleased because David saved Israel. And because of that, what happened with David? David married the princess and became the king of Israel. Means he was young, but he was not afraid of any person or anything. Okay, so what you are going to do, students, you are going to hear also the chapter and you are also going to read this chapter. So students, read properly, and bye and take care of yourself.